Luxury sales are up nationally, but down locally. Why is that? We're going to go into detail on that in just a moment here. So it's the luxury real estate market update for Las Vegas, May 2013. I've got a lot of great data to go over with you here today. I've also got a great video that we're going to be putting together going over nationally what's going on and where are the buyers coming from. So be sure to watch the video. At the end, we'll explain to you how to get to that video as well. Okay. I'm Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group at Keller Williams Realty. Let's jump in. So in order to do this, this market analysis, I've broken it down by some different price points in the luxury sector. I went from $500,000 to $1 million, and then $1 million to $2 million and $2 million and above. In Las Vegas, semi-customs you can get in the $5, so I feel we have to start the luxury around $500,000. There's a couple things that are important to note. In our future videos, so make sure you subscribe. In June, I'll be breaking it down a little bit more. We're going to be going off sales price. This month's data is off list price. And I'm going to break it down by $250,000 increments and then $500,000 as we get into the ultra luxury, because that'll be more specific to your specific luxury estate. So just so you know, we're going to be doing $500,000 to $1 million, $1 million to $2 million and above. All right, so in the $500,000 to $1 million price range for luxury estates in Las Vegas, we saw 30 sell in the last 30 days, 302 year to date. There are currently 200 in escrow and 312 luxury estates on the market. And what I mean by in escrow, buyer and seller have agreed on the price and it's just awaiting the closing. In the $1 million to $2 million price range, there is 26 luxury estates sold in the last 30 days, 72 sold year to date, 41 in contract or in escrow, and 125 currently on the market. In the $2 million and plus price range, there are 8 that have sold in the last 30 days and 32 luxury estates sold year to date in the $2 million and above price point. 19 are currently in escrow and 119 are currently on the market for sale. Important to note is going to be the absorption rate. So let's take a quick look at that. In the $500,000 to $1 million price range, we are seeing about a 3.8 month supply of current inventory based on what's sold. In the $1 million to $2 million price range, it's a 4.81 month supply of inventory. In the $2 million and above, we have a 14.9 month supply of current inventory. I would also like to point out days on market. So you'll see in the $500,000 to $1 million price range, the average days on market is 107. When you go to the $1 million to $2 million price range, the average days on market is 166 days. $2 million and above, the average days on market is 258. Now this isn't anything that's earth-shattering news, right? The higher the price point, the longer the days on market are going to be, the more of a month's supply of inventory we're going to have, because the higher price point you get, the less buyers there are, obviously. So, all right, this last data I'm very excited about sharing with you here. It's really, at first it surprised me, but the more I thought about it and the more I analyzed it and talked to other colleagues, it made sense. So let's jump in here to this data. Year to date, January 1st to May 17th, in the $500,000 to $1 million range, we have seen 302 estates sell. Last year, during the same time frame, we saw 743. Big difference. Looking at the $1 million to $2 million price range, there were 72 estates that have sold since January 1st to May 17th. Last year, there were 153 that sold in the same time period. If you go $2 million and above, this year we sold 32 between January 1st and May 17th. Last year, 58. Pretty drastic shift, right? All right, so in summary with all of this content, I want to give you a quick pulse and just think out loud with you a little bit about this. It's important to note at first, AB 284 went into effect last October. That really bottlenecked inventory. We also have SB 321, that's AB 284's big brother, that's probably going to get passed here in the next few weeks to month. In the description below, there's going to be videos that you can listen to where I've interviewed a top attorney in town going over AB 284 and SB 321 to educate you on that as well. So in summary, why have we seen such a decrease in the amount of luxury sales when we're seeing such a spike in sales and equity in the middle price range? Well, here's my summary on that. The deals aren't there right now. A lot of the sales that we were seeing were short sales, foreclosures, people that had to sell. They had to liquidate their luxury property and make a transition. We've seen some recovering in the economy, which I hate to be a Debbie Downer. I'm not sure that this is going to be stabilized or not. We've got a big bottleneck of distressed property still coming, especially in the luxury sector. So if I were to project out what we're going to see, and make sure you catch the video at the end here that I've already referenced in the video that talks about where the buyer's coming from. Because there is an opportunity for you to capitalize on this right now, but I do believe that coming into the first quarter of next year, we're going to start to see more distressed properties in the luxury sector coming onto the market. We've just got, as many of you know, the banks are not filing notice of defaults and they're not foreclosing on these luxury properties. So a lot of it's hidden. We're not able to even see that these properties are in distress. Okay, so the other video that I referenced, you can click on the link here, or you can find it in the description below, talking about where the buyers are coming from. In summary, there's a lot of shifting going on in the market, and there's a lot of opportunity to capitalize on this, especially in the luxury sector. If you have any questions, if you're thinking about buying a luxury property, selling a luxury property, reach out to me and have an educated, informative conversation with you, because depending on what market you're in, where you're located, it's going to drastically impact the advice that I would give you. This is Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group at Keller Williams Realty here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Be sure to like the video if you like it, share it if you think anybody else would find value in this information. Have an awesome day.